Yeah, I think I'm jacking this one, chat. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, you're not jacking this one for Biggie?
Okay, that could be something.
This one might be a little bit difficult because remember, right here it don't open. Oh, okay. You might be onto some.
Still tight. Tighter than that one.
Hell yeah. 210.
Tighter than that one. This is a 10.
Yeah, but the difference is that don't got nothing to hold you back right here. You get what I'm saying? But this right here, I feel like this, you could probably rock out with this. I don't know, it hurts me. It definitely hurts me.